Hey everyone! Google has just announced that the Pixel 9 series will be launching on August 13th. This series will include the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Excitingly, a video review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has already popped up, 3 weeks ahead of the official release. The review, done in Ukrainian, and also mirrored for more accessibility, gives us a sneak peek at what looks like a near-final design prototype, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. What's interesting is the geometric pattern beneath the iconic G logo on the back, which suggests this isn't a retail unit, but a prototype. The reviewer didn't turn on the device, likely because it might not function properly as it's just a design sample. The video, which is almost 20 minutes long, shows the Pixel 9 Pro XL both in hand and next to other popular phones like the Pixel 8 Pro and Galaxy S24 Ultra, giving us a good idea of its size and looks. But that's not all. We also have new leaks about the Pixel 9 series, thanks to OnLeaks and 91 Mobiles. They shared some marketing materials that reveal a lot about the upcoming lineup. According to these leaks, the base Pixel 9 might come with a 6.3-inch display and 12 GB of RAM, while the Pixel 9 Pro could come in two sizes, 6.3-inch version and a larger 6.8-inch XL version, both with 16 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold might have a 6.3-inch display when folded and an 8-inch display when unfolded, also with 16 GB of RAM. All these devices are expected to run on Google's new G4 Tensor chip. However, the camera specs in this leak differ from what we heard from Android Authority earlier. This new info suggests the base Pixel 9 will have a 10.5-megapixel front camera and a rear setup with a 50-megapixel wide camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Pixel 9 Pro could feature a 42-megapixel selfie camera and a rear setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold might come with a 10-megapixel selfie camera, 48-megapixel main camera, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens. These camera details are pretty exciting. One thing that might disappoint some is that the Pixel 9 series packaging won't include a charger, only a USB 2 Type-C to Type-C cable, even though the devices support USB 3.2 Gen 2 for display output. A USB 3 cable would have been better, but it looks like that's not happening. On the bright side, Google is highlighting the new Tensor G4 chip and promising a 24-hour battery life. Plus, they're offering 7 years of security patches and feature updates, just like with the Pixel 8 series. The leaked materials also mention some cool features coming to the Pixel 9 lineup, along with the Gemini AI assistant and a feature called Circle to Search. There's talk of a new feature that might let you search your screenshot, which could be handy for saving important info like events and locations. There's also a hint at emergency SOS with crisis alerts, 7 years of security updates, and Pixel feature drops. And it looks like Pixel 9 Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold users will get free access to Google's AI model Gemini Advanced for a year. Unfortunately, the regular Pixel 9 isn't included in this perk, according to the fine print. Lastly, the poster shows off all the latest Pixel devices, including what appears to be the Pixel Buds Pro 2. The new Buds Pro 2 might not look different from the outside, but are expected to have a slightly different design for a better fit. There's also a mention of the Pixel Watch 3 XL, but we don't have any details on that yet. So, stay tuned for more updates on the upcoming Pixel 9 lineup. Let me know what you think about these exciting new developments in the comments below. Take care, and see you in the next update.